Expansion changes behavior. How capacity affects decisions. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 158. When capacity increases, behavior changes. Not through force, but through access. The system has more energy, more stability, more flexibility. This changes responses. Reactions slow down. Choices become clearer. Decisions are less driven by urgency and more by context. The system can evaluate, pause, adjust. Behavior reflects capacity, not intention alone. When the system expands, what is possible expands. Next episode: why better decisions follow regulated systems. If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.